how to permanently delete your Instagram account. So first go to instagram.com in your browser. Then once you're here, you're going to want to log into your account. So click Save Info, go to More, click Settings. Then you want to click Account Center, click on Personal Details. Then you want to click on Account Ownership and Control, so click that. Then it says Deactivation or Deletion, so just click this. To start the process, select what you'd like to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete, so click on your account. Then you can either deactivate it or you can delete it, so I'm going to delete it. So then click Continue. For security reasons, re-enter your passcode, so I'm going to put in my passcode. Then click Continue. Then you want to give a reason on why you're deleting it. I'm just going to say privacy concerns and too many ads. Then I'm going to click Continue. Then you click Continue again. Then you want to confirm it again, so just click Delete Account. Done, done, done. You have now logged out of your account. Now if I try to log back in, it will say, do you want to keep using this account? So just say no. So I'm just going to delete this tab. Delete that tab, and now you've got your Instagram account deleted. No more brain rotted doom scrolling. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace out.